golf game out there called four ball or better ball. Now, four ball is a format played by two-person teams, which each individual plays their own ball throughout the entire round. Four ball indicates the fact that all four players for a typical group are playing their own ball, but for competition, it focuses as a team aspect. So let's go through the scoring here of four ball. Well, the team score on each hole, the team records the lowest of the two partners' score. If player A scores a 4 and player B scores a 5, the team scores a 4 for that. It has a lot of independence, unlike for sums where the players plays the individual shots. For ball, you are never required to play your partner's ball. The partner is in a bad position. You are free to play aggressively, knowing your partner potentially can play it safe or already have it in the bank. This format encourages aggressive, high risk, and high reward because most and the best scores count. One player can take a iffy shot around the green, while some others can play a more conservative and go for par or bogey to secure a win or lose. Now, four ball has some interesting roots in its deep history within British golf. It became formalized as a competition format in the late 1900s and early 20th century as a way to make teams more for fast pace for amateurs. The best ball roots. Originally, the format was and often is referred to as best ball or better ball. It was famously utilized in the early days of British golf matches where clubs would pitch each other their best pairs against each other. Wow, there's some great stuff here. Now you have the Ryder Cup and the President's Cup that tie themselves on a four ball permanent fixture, just like other golf events. Now, the rise of this competition has increased throughout the years, and historically it has caused some confusion in the rule books, leading for USGA to standardize between best ball and four ball. Hopefully, this brings you one step closer just getting out there and playing golf in the near future. That's the purpose of this video. Even though you're learning, you're golfing, you're growing, you're going to get out there and you're going to swing and have a little bit of fun, even if you end up in the water. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. This is the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.